Okay, so today I'm going to make some bookmarks. I've got a little book that I've made myself with my cinch, and I want some bookmarks to go in it that I'll be able to move around. I'm still going to use my cinch to cut the holes, but I'm hoping with a pair of scissors I'll be able to make it one that I can juggle around wherever I need it. These are I've covered this notebook with some papers I've downloaded, but I can't remember where I got them from, so I'll have to note that in the description. I can't remember if they were paid or freebies. So once I've found that out, I'll put that in the description. But yeah, so I could have used those again to make the bookmarks, but what I thought I'd do is recreate something similar with the colours. So I've got some Aall and Create stamps here that I think I might be able to make quite pretty bookmark from. So I've got the worded petals, I've got the cornflower, overgrown wonder, wiggle and dance, and these come from the recent butterfly set. I've got some 300 GSM card that was left over from making the binder, and yeah, and I'm going to grab some inks and Brushos maybe, watercolors maybe, and just try and recreate the style of the sort of theme of butterflies, flowers in pinks, purples, a little bit of red, and some text over the top. So let's see how it goes. happy with those. So I'm going to leave them to dry. I'm going to laminate them, and then I will cut them or punch them on my cinch so that they've got matching holes, and yeah, and then see how they go. So I will take a picture of the end result, and yeah, thank you for watching.